Because black needs white and positive needs negative, there's a duality to everything that we do in life. So, in opposition to the beginner's mindset, I'm going to talk a little bit about the mindset of mastery. The mindset of mastery, to me, discusses the fact that one can master a field with focused, intense practice. This culinary field is a craft. And with the right focus, with the right intensity, and with the right persistence in getting better, mastery can be achieved. So to me, the mindset of mastery means that it's something that's achievable. It's not saved for people who are born special or who are born with special attributes. It's for people who have the dogged persistence and decide to carry on when they feel like they're not going to, who push through without knowing that exactly where they're going is the right direction. The mindset of mastery says that you can master a trade. Excellence is almost unobtainable, but you can chase it, and you can get damn close to it. So remember, having a mindset of mastery reminds us that it's achievable.